In this video, I am going to show you how you can easily unfriend someone on Snapchat. So without wasting much of your time, let's get started with the video. So for the first step is that you're going to head over to Snapchat. Once you're on Snapchat, what you're going to do now is you're going to click on your profile. Once you click on your profile, what you're going to do is that you're going to scroll down and click on the My Friends option. Once you do that, long press on the person you'd like to unfriend. So for example, let's say I want to unfriend this guy right over here. I'm going to long press on his profile and I'm going to select the manage friendship option. Once you do that, you can easily click on the remove friend. It's going to ask you if you want to remove the friend. You can easily click on the remove friend option. And as you can see, it has successfully removed that particular person as your friend. So that's how you can unfriend someone on Snapchat.